Let's explore some dirt.
Sounds good. Let's go.
That was cheesy, right?
That was cheesy.
Well, so far this road's gotten better and better.
Yeah. So far, so good. As long as we don't come over any down trees in the way, we should be okay.
Well, it looks like it's pretty well traveled. And there's fresh tracks through here, so.
Yeah. It's probably a side-by-side, not a full-size truck.
Okay, we're coming down the hill, and I don't know how to turn your thing on. We've come down quite a ways since those switchbacks there, and ran into a little bit of hail.
We've had all kinds of weather today. We've had, so far, no snow. Fingers crossed we don't hit it. But we're down to, I think, under 1,200 meters now.
Yeah, we should be fine.
We were up at about 1,600 at the highest peak. And then came down those awesome switchbacks. It was so pretty.
Oh my gosh, I know, right?
Yeah. We've had sun, rain, hail.
Hopefully that's it.
I hope so.
I'd like to see some more sun.
I would too. Well, we just keep going through these storm systems, it seems like.
Well, we keep going back and forth. Could be the same system, we'll just keep driving through.
We're still quite a ways from kind of where I had a look at where we could camp. We're probably a couple hours away still.
Yeah. I mean, we're still about 54 kilometers, 43 kilometers from the bottom of the hill, but we're doing like 20 kilometers an hour down here, so.
20, 30, yeah. There's a lot of switchbacks going down here, so.
Yeah. It's a nice road though. I mean, it's pretty easy. Good overlanding route. Oh, forest fire I went through here. This like be quite a while ago.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Holy crap.
Wow, that's some hail and rain. Can't see much in front of us now. I think that's a tree. Oh my goodness. I don't know when this forest fire came through, but it was a doozy one too. But this area has had quite a few fires over the years. think the rain's
Somebody
gonna.
almost went down that. Their whole tire went over that washout.
I missed that. This
Yeah.
was our tire.
Was not ours. I missed it.
Beautiful area though, nice road.
Right?
It's been a very great day today. Even with the rain, it wasn't that bad. Kind of makes it exciting. It looks like we're nearing the bottom of the hill now. I mean, there's probably still another half hour or so longer,
Maybe.
but the road's getting easier and easier now. So we must be getting close. Let's take a look here. So, yeah, so where the purple is, oh, there's still another set of good switchbacks coming up this way. However, that splits into two directions.
Yeah, we had to stick to the right.
Okay. That's still quite the road. Wow.
That's gorgeous.
One thing about the mountains, they never disappoint when it comes to water features. Yay! It's lunchtime.
Dan's starving.
Well, it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon. I've had a pro bar today. We were going to stop for lunch somewhere up higher, but the storm came through. I'm like, we're not going to eat in the rain.
We were hoping to make it down to the lake to have lunch by noon, but we stopped a lot along the way, took some great drone footage. So instead, we are having our
Charcuterie.
in our snackle box.
Snackle box, yeah. These snackle boxes are really cool.
Yeah.
I heard about them a while back, and then we saw it. I can't remember where I saw it, but it was like, we got to buy one of those. So,
so we did.
We got 2 of these off of Amazon, and they're so cool.
I cheated this time. I didn't cut up any cheese. I just brought Laughing Cow.
Well, that's good cheese.
And some pretzels and crackers and fig jam, pickles, beets, and meat for Dan. So,
I like the protein. I'm a protein kind of guy.
hopefully we can make it and find a campsite by about 4.
Mm-hmm.
That would be nice because we are wanting to make dinner tonight, set up camp. Hopefully it stays like this and not the hail and the rain and the wind that we just drove through over the mountain pass.
We'll see. We're going towards that nice blue over there. So, yeah.
We are. So, yeah, we're going to head up that way and away we go.
You know, the best part of overlanding, when you come across a mountain peak, come around a corner, and then it opens up into this oasis. Check this out.
So beautiful.
Gorgeous. Always about the views.
It's so beautiful. Yeah.
All right, so after a wonderful full day of overlanding,
Yeah.
that was a great trip.
It was beautiful, beautiful views.
Oh man.
The mountain peaks, one had fresh snow on it. Luckily we weren't that high, but we were pretty high.
No kidding.
But we found a beautiful campsite in the middle of the woods. It's just gorgeous.
We are in our tiny home, I guess.
It's warm in here,
It is.
though, because it's chilly out there.
The propane fire pit just sitting under the crest of the tent. Actually, this is an 8x10 gazebo. Actually, 10x10 gazebo. And we've got the 3 sides on it. So it works really good to turn the fire on, and it warms up in here so nice.
It does.
So we've decided to bring you along on our cooking journey. So Carmen is making that, whatever that might
Well,
be.
right now it just looks like a bunch of tomatoes and peppers and stuff. There's sausages underneath. There's sausages underneath and onions and peppers and basically whatever you have in your fridge for veggies. I've used zucchini before and all that kind of stuff.
And some farmer sausage, fry up in the pan, and you're good to go.
Right?
Oh, perfect fit. What are you
See,
talking about?
It all fits.
What more did you need? And then Carmen made the spice, which is...
Spice mix?
Yeah, which is what?
I am...
We never get the same food twice, folks. Every time she cooks, and I love everything she cooks, I can never have the same thing twice because she never writes anything down. And it's always like pinch this and pinch of that and a sprinkle of that.
I throw stuff together that I have in the cupboard. I don't know what to tell you.
Yeah, but
It's like everything that's in this pan right now. We had this sitting in the fridge and we were taking off for the weekend. And I went, that looks good.
And you're right, it does. Ooh, we're cooking now. Dinner is done. Ooh, that looks good.
Right?
Steamy. All right, so that's dinner. Dinner is served. Looks amazing. So on that note, we are going to sit and have a bite to eat now.
Enjoy the rest of the night.
Yeah, I
Sit
think we're
by
gonna
our
sign it
propane
off.
fire.
Yeah.
Yeah. So have a good night and we will see you in the morning.
You bet. Night, everybody.